The world can be unpredictable. Are you prepared for it? Today, I'm sharing 30 tactical tools that every prepper should have in their kit. These aren't just cool gadgets, they're essential survival tools that will help you stay safe, secure, and one step ahead in any situation. Gerber Gear Stakeout Spark. Starting with something compact but powerful, the Gerber Gear's Stakeout Spark is an absolute game changer. This multi-tool includes 10 essential tools like a knife, saw, bottle opener, tent stake puller, and a striker to start fires, all packed into a sleek, lightweight design. It's perfect for camping, hiking, or keeping in your car for emergencies. With a weight of only 3 ounces and a size of just 4.5 inches, you can easily clip it onto your bag or belt without noticing it's there. It's the ultimate pocket-sized survival tool. WaterLight. If you ever find yourself off the grid, the WaterLight will be your lifesaver. This isn't your average flashlight, it runs on salt water. Yes, you heard that right. Just pour in half a liter of water, and it provides 45 days of light without a recharge. Plus, it can charge your devices, making it perfect for emergencies or camping in remote areas. It's durable, eco-friendly, and designed to give you up to 5,600 hours of light. That's more than 5 years of reliable illumination. Jet Boil Flash. If you've ever had to boil water in the wild, you know it can be a time-consuming hassle. That's where the Jet Boil Flash comes in. This portable burner is super efficient, boiling 16 ounces of water in just 2 minutes. Whether you're making coffee or preparing a meal, it gets the job done fast. At only 371 grams, it's incredibly lightweight, and the French press attachment makes sure you don't miss your morning brew. It's perfect for camping or even keeping in your car for a quick meal during an emergency. RTS Rapid Deploy Kit. When things go south, you need to act fast. Then the RTS Rapid Deploy Kit is built for just that. This belt-mounted first aid kit allows for quick access to life-saving tools when every second counts. It features items like a tourniquet, pressure, bandages, and chest seals, all in a durable ballistic-grade nylon pouch. This kit is designed for medics, tactical responders, or anyone who wants to be prepared for a trauma situation. It's compact, quick release, and perfect for anyone who prioritizes fast medical intervention. Real Avid Gun Tool. If you're into hunting, shooting, or just want to make sure your firearm is in top shape, the Real Avid Gun Tool is something you can't skip. It's like a Swiss Army knife for guns, with hex drivers, Phillips, and flathead bits, and even a scope adjustment. Blade. It has everything you need for quick maintenance. It's made from durable stainless steel, and its ergonomic design makes it easy to use, whether you're out on the range or in the field. With this tool, you'll always be prepared to tune up your gun wherever you are. GCI Cook Station. The GCI Cook Station is your ultimate cooking companion for any outdoor adventure. It's stable, versatile, and perfect for setting up a mini kitchen at your campsite. The station lowers the height of your stove and provides a wider base for better stability, even on uneven ground. Whether you're cooking for one or a group, this setup ensures that you have a stable cooking surface to work with, preventing your stove from tipping over and causing a mess. It's easy to set up, sturdy, and will make your camping meals a lot more convenient. Tactical Shovel Folding Axe. The Tactical Shovel Folding Axe is the ultimate survival tool, combining 24 functions in one. Need to chop wood, dig a hole, or even signal for help? This tool does it all. Made from high-carbon steel, it's built for tough tasks and can withstand intense use. It's got a shovel, axe, saw, hoe, and even a whistle for signaling. The handle adjusts in 3 lengths and folds up for easy storage. Whether you're camping, off-roading, or prepping, this tool is a must-have for any survival kit. RecPak. When you're out in the wilderness, food is essential, and the RecPak has you covered. This little pouch is packed with 700 calories and 42 grams of protein, a perfect, compact meal to keep you going. With just 350 milliliters of water, you've got yourself a nutritious, ready-to-eat meal in minutes. It's lightweight and full of natural ingredients like whole grain oats, so it's both healthy and tasty. Whether you're hiking in an emergency or just need a quick meal, the RecPak is a great way to stay fueled. Trip Alarm. The Trip Alarm is a game changer for anyone who wants to secure their space. This clever device uses a concealed tripwire to trigger an alarm whenever it detects movement. Whether you're camping, protecting property, or securing entrances, this alarm gives you an early warning about unwanted movement, be it from animals or intruders. It's reloadable, reusable, and easy to set up, making it a solid addition to your security-geared camping tent. When it comes to camping, you want a tent that's quick, easy to set up, and comfortable. The inflatable camping tent is just that. With 600 Oxford cloth, it's designed to inflate in 5 minutes, giving you ample space and comfort. It's a self-supporting design, so no need for complicated poles. It's built to protect you from UV rays and light rain, making it perfect for fair weather camping. For a fast and comfortable setup, this inflatable tent is an excellent choice. Tactical Fixed Blade Knife. A tactical fixed blade knife is a must for any prepper. This knife is built with high-grade steel that stays sharp even through the toughest conditions. Its full tang construction gives it added strength, making it perfect for cutting, breaching, or any demanding task. The ergonomic handle ensures you have a solid grip, even when wet or gloved. Whether you need it for fieldwork, self-defense, or survival, this knife is a reliable tool for tough situations. Self-Defense Umbrella. The Self-Defense Umbrella is the perfect example of blending functionality and protection. Made from unbreakable fiberglass, this umbrella shields you from the rain and doubles as a tactical tool. The reinforced carbide tip is designed for self-defense, allowing you to strike if needed. Lightweight and discreet, it fits easily into your daily routine, offering protection against the elements while keeping you safe from threats. Whether you're commuting or traveling, this umbrella has your back. Survival Paracord Bracelet. Survival Paracord Bracelet is a wearable emergency kit. It's packed with 20 survival tools, including an upgraded compass, SOS LED light, fire starter, and even 10 feet of 550 pounds paracord. This bracelet is more than just a cool accessory. It's an essential survival tool that keeps everything from a rescue whistle to a thermometer right on your wrist. Whether you're camping or facing an emergency, this bracelet has all the essential survival gear you'll need. Card folding Molle scissors. Need a compact multi-tool? The card folding Molle scissors is your solution. This card-sized tool fits in your wallet and includes folding scissors, an army knife, and a mini bicycle repair tool. It's perfect for quick repairs, cutting tasks, or even basic field operations. You won't believe how useful something so small can be. It's a must-have addition to any tactical kit. It's ensuring you're always prepared without the bulk of traditional tools. Tekto A2 Badger. The Tekto A2 Badger folding blade is designed for tactical readiness. Its 3.1-inch titanium-coated D2 steel blade is perfect for cutting, breaching, or survival tasks. With a ceramic ball-bearing mechanism, this knife can be deployed quickly, with one handy essential in emergency situations. The handle is made from G10 and carbon fiber, offering a non-slip grip. Plus, the blade includes a glass breaker and lanyard hole, making it a versatile tool for any survivalist or tactical operator. Sure, let's continue and finish up the remaining tools, each explained in a simple and engaging way. Tactical First Aid Kit. Having a well-stocked first aid kit is essential for any preparer, and the Tactical First Aid Kit is specifically designed to be fast and accessible in an emergency. Whether you're out in the field or at home, this kit includes everything you need for trauma care, from bandages and gauze to advanced items like zip stitch closures for deep cuts. It's compact, durable, and fits easily into a backpack or vehicle. Being prepared for medical emergencies could make the difference between life and death. So this kit is a must-have for any tactical loadout. RTS Tactical Mini Shield. The RTS Tactical Mini Shield is a portable ballistic shield that offers protection in higher-risk situations. Made with advanced composite armor, it resists high-velocity rifle rounds, giving you critical cover in tactical operations or emergencies. Despite being compact and lightweight, it offers excellent ballistic protection while still being maneuverable enough to carry with ease. Whether you're a first responder, tactical operator, or just want an extra layer of defense in a dangerous situation, this shield is a perfect option. Window breaker and seatbelt cutter tool. This is a vehicle escape tool that's designed to help you get out of a car fast in an emergency. It combines a window breaker and seatbelt cutter, making it perfect for any car accident or crash scenario. The window breaker easily shatters glass, while the seatbelt cutter allows you to quickly cut through a stuck seatbelt. This tool is compact, reliable, and can be easily stored in your glove box or bag. It could save your life if you ever find yourself trapped in your car after. An Accident Tactical Card Multi-Tool. A tactical card multi-tool is a wallet-sized tool that fits perfectly in your pocket. It includes several useful functions, like a can opener, screwdrivers, wrench, and money clip, all in one slim design. It's a great tool to carry every day without the bulk of a regular multi-tool. Whether you're in a survival situation, at work, or just need a quick fix, this card tool can handle a wide range of tasks with ease. Thyrm CellVault-18. The Thyrm CellVault-18 is a compact battery storage case designed to protect and organize your rechargeable batteries. Whether you're using AAA or 18,650 batteries, this case keeps them dry, safe, and easily accessible. It's perfect for keeping your batteries in good condition during camping trips, hikes, or just for everyday use. The rugged design ensures your batteries won't get damaged, and the waterproof seal makes sure they stay safe from moisture. Dango Multitool Wallet. The Dango Multitool Wallet combines style and function in a sleek, minimalist design. This wallet is not only a place to store your cards and cash, but it also contains a built-in multi-tool. You'll get tools like a bottle opener, wrench, and even a knife blade, all within the wallet. It's perfect for everyday carry, etc., and ensures you always have the right tools with you without the bulk of traditional tools. Mini Crossbow. 4. Those looking for a compact weapon for survival or recreation, the Mini Crossbow is an awesome choice. With a 130 pounds draw weight, it's capable of shooting heavy bolts with precision and accuracy. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and a perfect tool for hunting, target practice, or self-defense. Despite its small size, it's a formidable weapon in the right hands, providing a lot of power in a compact design. Combat Shirt Tactical. Combat Shirt Tactical is a versatile and durable shirt designed for tactical operations, outdoor activities, and everyday wear. Made with breathable fabric, it provides comfort during long hours in the field. It also features multiple pockets for gear storage, ensuring that you have everything within reach when you need it. The camo design helps you blend into your environment, making it perfect for outdoor activities like hunting or hiking. Retevis RT22. The Retevis RT22 is a reliable two-way radio that's perfect for staying connected during outdoor expeditions or when you need to coordinate with a team. It's compact, lightweight, and comes with rechargeable batteries, making it a great option for long trips or emergencies. Whether you're camping, hiking, or even working on a job site, the RT22 gives you the clarity and range you need to stay in touch with others. Vortex Optics Recce Pro. When it comes to spotting at a distance, the Vortex Optics Recce Pro is a high-performance monocular that delivers crystal-clear images in any condition. Its HD optical system ensures a bright and clear view, while the MRAD reticle offers precise targeting. This monocular is built to withstand tough conditions with fog-proof, waterproof, and shockproof capabilities. Whether you're hiking, hunting, or involved in tactical operations, this monocular provides exceptional performance. Multifunction Tactical Watch. The Multifunction Tactical Watch is more than just a timepiece, it's a tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and tactical operators. It includes features like a compass, altimeter, barometer, and temperature sensor, all housed in a durable, waterproof design. The watch is built to withstand harsh conditions and provides essential data on the fly, making it a reliable tool for any adventure. Magnetic Tactical Flashlight. The Magnetic Tactical Flashlight is a high-performance flashlight built for tactical use. It delivers 2,100 lumens of brightness with a beam distance of up to 500 meters, perfect for long-range illumination. The flashlight is powered by a rechargeable battery, ensuring it lasts for hours. The magnetic base makes it easy to attach. Two metal surfaces for hands-free use, and its IPX8 waterproof rating ensures it can withstand the toughest environments. Tactical Mask. The Tactical Mask is designed to offer full face protection while still allowing you to maintain high visibility. It's equipped with advanced filters to protect you from dust, debris, and toxic gases, making it perfect for tactical operations or survival situations. It's comfortable to wear for long periods and provides an extra layer of security when you're facing hazardous environments. Condor Recon Chest Rig. The Condor Recon Chest Rig is a lightweight and highly functional rig designed for easy access to your gear. It includes pouches for magazines, ammunition, and other essential tactical tools. The rig also has adjustable straps for a secure custom fit. Whether you're on a mission, at the range, or in the wilderness, this rig provides convenient gear storage for quick access during high-intensity operations. Anti-fog tactical goggles. The anti-fog tactical goggles are designed to give you optimal visibility and eye protection in any environment. With interchangeable lenses, they adapt to different lighting conditions, ensuring that you always have the best view. They're impact-resistant, keeping your eyes safe from flying debris, and their anti-fog design ensures they stay clear in any weather, whether you're shooting, hiking, or working in hazardous environments. These goggles provide the protection and clarity you need to stay safe and focused. Make sure to check the product links below to grab some of these amazing deals during Prime Day. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gear reviews and prepper tips. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.